Hello, diet disruptors, and welcome to September's recipes. I am excited to share these with you today and ready for fall. All right, let's start with Carrie's welcome message. As we start off this month, I am so excited to say that I am home. That's right, after a full month of living in 3 hotels and 3 Airbnbs, we are officially in the house we have been building for 2 years. This past month has been a struggle. Not only were we living out of suitcases and basically nomads, our oldest went to her first freshman year of college. Our youngest got into a car accident. She is fine, thank goodness. And not only was it full of stress and fear, but we are also down a car, which has added a lot of logistic issues. So basically, life showed up for us this month. And I certainly haven't been showing up for myself the way I would be in a less chaotic month. But I still showed up. In fact, I had my morning time every single day last month. Why does that matter? Because starting off with some level of intentionality means you are never that far off course, even when life goes completely haywire. And while I am beyond thrilled to be looking at a month ahead with less chaos, I know that September will be busy. There will be boxes to unpack, more airplanes, work, and stuff. But I have to uplevel my own commitment to me and my health, regardless of what is ahead of me, because I am in it for the long haul, to die younger later, to serve my purpose for as long as humanly possible with an insanely high quality of life. And what I do today, tomorrow, next week, it matters for how I live my life in my 90s and 100s. So I'm digging into these recipes, committing to grocery shopping and cooking every week, moving my body in some way every day, and improving 1% daily. What are you committing to, regardless of what life throws at you this month? How are you going to ensure you do it? Love, Carrie. I love that message. I know that it speaks to more than just me as far as the chaos of what's been going on in the last few months and moving into reprioritizing what's important. So moving into our table of contents, the first recipe we have coming up is going to be a wild mushroom salmon with asparagus. We have a mushroom barley risotto. Then we have a bang bang cauliflower with grilled shrimp, a herb tomato gratin with chicken, harissa roasted cauliflower with chickpea salad and grilled shrimp, summer skillet vegetable and egg scramble, a kale, quinoa, and apple salad, butternut squash noodles with chicken, eat the rainbow chopped salad with basil and mozzarella, chicken with sun-dried tomato cream sauce, baked mahi-mahi with garlic herb butter. Our shake is going to be an apple crisp shake. We have Susan's oatmeal muffins and some baked Parmesan zucchini curly fries. So let's jump right in here with the wild mushroom salmon with asparagus. This is one that I am really looking forward to. I love asparagus and mushrooms, and we're always trying to eat more fish and less red meat in our house. So I love this new take on salmon. It's easy to use. You can use any kind of wild mushrooms you find, depending on where you live. If you don't have shallot, you can use red onion. That's a good way to change that up. All right, then mushroom barley risotto. I love risottos. What I like about this is it's using barley, so it's a little bit different than a normal risotto. It has a nice chew to it, and that's one of the things I love about barley. Bang Bang cauliflower with grilled shrimp. So I love the spice in this. So you're going to use a clean mayonnaise, a clean sweet chili sauce, some lime and sriracha. That gives you that nice bright color you see here, as well as the spicy flavors. An herb tomato gratin with chicken. So this is going to be a little bit different. It has some coconut cream, and I use nutritional yeast instead of the pepperoncino cheese. I like that it has the fresh marjoram, but again, you can use parsley or whatever you have on top of that. The harissa roasted cauliflower and chickpea salad with grilled shrimp. You can see that here. It has, again, a beautiful color from the harissa seasoning. Easy to make. The chickpeas give it some extra fiber and protein there. I'm always looking for different options for mornings, and especially things that are easy to do and that I can have more than once. So this is a summer vegetable skillet. You can use any of the vegetables you have that you have. I know a lot of people, especially this time of year, have zucchinis and bell peppers coming out of their gardens. This is a nice, easy, delicious, and healthy breakfast. I love having the dill in there. I particularly like dill with eggs, but any herbs you have would be great. Plus you have the leafy greens, the baby spinach or kale, or whichever you decide. So next we're moving into a kale, quinoa, and apple salad. This feels like fall to me with the apples and the quinoa, as well as with the kale, and we have some chickpeas in here as well. It has currants or raisins and some lemon zest. And so it's a good, flavorful, but hearty meal. Butternut squash noodles with chicken. So it's fun to try different things. I know a lot of us use zoodles and other things. I thought this was fun because it's using something a little different. It's a different way to use our butternut squash, and butternut squash is a great flavor to this dish. So it's super easy to do, and I've bought the butternut squash frozen this way, already spiraled. So it's a super easy dish, delicious, and full of fall nutrition. And then eat the rainbow chopped salad with basil and mozzarella. This is one of those things that you can do with a variety of different vegetables. This particular one is using carrots and yellow bell peppers and kale and cabbage, tomatoes. It also has mozzarella. You can just remove the mozzarella from it. It's easy to do. It doesn't make a huge difference for the salad itself, but it does taste delicious. So chicken with sun-dried tomato cream sauce. So this is super easy. Instead of, you can use a dairy-free heavy cream, or you could use a coconut cream, which would also be very good in this. It gives it the coconut cream will give it a little sweeter of a flavor. So keep that in mind if you use that instead. Baked mahi-mahi with garlic herb butter. This, I wanted to use a different kind of fish, something that we have not done. So this is just lemon and butter and thyme. I used a ghee or a vegan butter, so it's up to you what you prefer to use to cook with. And then on into our bonuses. So the first shake, nothing says fall like apples. So this is an apple crisp shake. Makes me ready for fall, just thinking about it. So you have your protein powder, your unsweetened almond milk, a little bit of your gluten-free oats, Granny Smith apple, some cinnamon and almond butter. This screams fall to me. I'm so excited to be enjoying it. And then Susan's oatmeal muffins, your gluten-free oatmeal, eggs, 2 scoops of protein powder, stevia or monk fruit, almond milk, chia seeds, cinnamon, vanilla. Easy to put together, bakes in 10 minutes. You can't beat that. And then, of course, because I love using zucchini, and this is just a nice, fun way to do it that's a little bit different. So baked Parmesan zucchini curly fries. So we're using arrowroot and egg whites here. I have gluten-free panko and some Parmesan or nutritional yeast. I tend to use a lot of nutritional yeast. I really like the flavor it gives, and I don't miss my Parmesan cheese when I do that. This is super easy to do, spiraled zucchini noodles. Delicious, fun snack. And then down and into our quote this month is, in the midst of movement and chaos, keep stillness inside of you. And that's from Deepak Chopra. I hope everyone has a great September. Looking forward to our plant-based month next month in October. It's a little something different, and I'm excited to share all that we have been putting together for you. Have a great September and enjoy cooking.